Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something to tell you about maths. It's my favorite subject and I'm gonna tell you all about maths, and today I'm gonna tell you about HCF and LCM, which is HCF, highest common factor. LCM is lowest common multiple. I'm gonna explain you all about it, and let's go and see what they are. So I've got my pen and I've got my book. So I'm gonna write a question from my textbook here. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna take one sum from here. Okay, 8 and 25, guys. I'm gonna take 8 and 25. Okay, let's see. 8 and 25. Okay, guys. Now let's find the lowest common factor of 8 and 25. Let's write the numbers first here, 8 and 25. I think you all know about prime factorization and non-prime factorizations. Prime factorization means, prime factor means, if I'm gonna just write the example over here. If you get, just think like number 2. So number 2 has only two factors, which are 1 and 2 itself. So if you get two factors, this method is known as prime factorization. But if you get more than two factorizations, like 2, 3, 4, this is known as non-factorization and factorization. Prime factorization. So now you know about factors and non-factors, which are 2 and non-2. So let's see. Now we have the number 8 here, which I'm going to take my black pen and put this here. We have number 8 here. So we gotta know all the factors. You know what is factorization. I'm going to explain you. Now you have 8. So how many times does 8 go in all the tables till 30? Let's see. Well, it of course goes in one table. Let's go with 2 table. 3 table, no, it doesn't come. Yeah, 4 table. 5, no. 6, no, it is not. So let's see. What about 7? No. 8, yeah, it does come in 8 itself. So after we've got 1 to 8, and the last number is 8, and we cannot continue because the number we are factoring is 8, and the last number is 8 itself. So we have to leave it. Now let's go to 25. 25 ones are 25. 25 ones are 25. 2 table. 25 doesn't come in 2 table. It does not come in 3 table. Not in 5, not in 4, not in 6. So it does not come in any other number except for 1 and 25. So we've got 1 and 1. Now we have to see the I'm sorry guys, I did a mistake, which is we get 1 in 1 table and also in 5 table. Then itself 25. So we got 3 and 4 over here, 4 factors over here and 3 factors over here. So now you know about common factorization. Okay, I got a method for you guys. This is a method you didn't know, like LCM. You know about M, right? L lowest, C common, M multiple, and factor, and M and factor are the same meaning. F and M are the same meaning. So M means factorization. First we start with factorization, which we have already done. Then we go with common factorization, which we are gonna do now, which is, so anything common here, which is 1, we get 2 numbers in the same thing is 1. No other numbers match in this columns. So we are going to go with 1. The 1 is a common factor, and we've done with C, which is common factor. We are done with it. We're done with 2 of them. Now we are going to L, which is lowest. Answer: lowest common multiple is equals to 1, because the only common factor left here is 1, and we got the answer 1. Now let's move on to the next one, which is also the same one, but we are going to go with highest common factor. let's write the same question again. Yes. And HCF. Now listen guys. F and M are same. F and M are same. F means factor. M is multiple. Multiple and factor are same. But why does LCM have M and HCF have F? Because this is LCM, lowest common multiple. It's lowest. You should always use M for the lowest common factor and always use F for the highest common factor or number. Always use F and L for M, H for F. So let's start. Now we are going to do the same factors. We are going to copy just the one factors over here. 1, 2, 5, 4, 8 and 25. But also there's another twist here, which is we don't have any other number matching in this too, which means the 1 is the common factor once again, and the HCF also is 1. So this is how it works. And one more thing guys, if anything is different, like we get 1 by 1 and 2 by 2, like in 25 also if 2 comes like 2, you could do that, and lowest common factor is then 2, 1. But in HCF, if 2 and 2 match together, the 2 will be the HCF. But there's no other common factor here except for 1. So the HCF of 8 and 25 are 1. So this is how we do LCM and HCF guys. Let's see again here. So HCF and HCF. Hope you understood maths by this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe, share and do comment to my videos guys. Thank you. Bye bye.